When it comes to your money, you've got a lot of options. From big, traditional banks with branches on every corner to a whole new world of online-only financial services. And in that new world, you might have heard of something called Peak Bank. So, what exactly is it? Peak Bank is the online division of Idaho First Bank. Think of it as a digital-first, streamlined way to handle your savings. Unlike a traditional bank, there are no physical branches to visit. This might sound like a drawback at first, but it's actually one of the key reasons Peak Bank can offer some of its biggest benefits. Because it operates with lower overhead costs than a bank with brick-and-mortar locations, Peak Bank can pass those savings on to you, the customer. This translates to two main things: higher interest rates and fewer fees. Specifically, they're known for their high-yield savings accounts, which offer a much more competitive annual percentage yield, or APY, than you'd find at many of the major, traditional banks. They also offer certificates of deposit, or CDs, with solid rates. Let's break down how it works. Since there are no branches, you manage your money entirely online or through the Idaho First Bank mobile app. You can transfer funds from other banks, deposit checks using your phone, and monitor your balances from anywhere. For withdrawals, you simply transfer funds back to a linked external account. This setup is perfect for people who are comfortable with digital banking and don't need to handle cash deposits or in-person transactions. Now, there are some important things to consider. Peak Bank is great for saving, but it doesn't offer the full range of services you'd get from a traditional bank. You won't find checking accounts, loans, or investment services here. It's designed to be a dedicated, high-return home for your savings. Another key point: while it's an online-only bank, your money is still FDIC insured through its parent company, Idaho First Bank, up to the standard limits. So your deposits are protected just as they would be at any other insured financial institution. So, is Peak Bank right for you? It's a great option if you're primarily focused on growing your savings with a high APY and you're comfortable with an online-only experience. If you value face-to-face interactions with a banker, need a checking account, or regularly handle cash, then a traditional bank might be a better fit. Many people even choose a hybrid approach, using a traditional bank for their everyday transactions and an online-only bank like Peak Bank for their long-term savings goals. The financial landscape is always changing. With so many options available, the important thing is to understand what each one offers and how it fits into your personal financial strategy.